I am trying to set up this. It says, it keeps saying internet error. There is no internet error. Trust you me. Hello, how y'all doing? I just was live on TikTok. Hey, how y'all doing? You ain't text me this morning. What's up? Just want to say hello. I'm sitting here trying to set up my TikTok badge, subscriber badge. And it's saying no internet access. And everyone know I got internet access. Instagram be on it, boy. Look at this. What? Let me find out. Y'all, I don't have anything to talk about. Y'all can go ahead and click off now. I just want to come live. Go live. I just want to be consistent posting. Posting every day. Going live every day. It's all about being consistent. Getting out your comfort zone. And doing things that you normally don't do. I mean, I'm not no more special than any of you all. You know, I just wanted a change in my life. And I needed a change in my life. So that's what I'm doing. I put myself out there to let you know that you too can do this as well. You know what I'm saying? What you got going on, like I tell everybody, if you have a business, thank you. If you have a business, this is great and free advertisement, y'all. I am a mobile notary. Okay. I am a mobile notary and I have a notary business located in North Carolina. And I like to talk about notary business and different ways to make money. I have a YouTube channel too, Life with Nikki D. So you all can go over there and follow me. You can follow me on TikTok as well, Life with Nikki D. You can follow me on Facebook, Life with Nikki D. I just talk about different ways to make money. I share with you all my experiences that I go through day by day. And that's pretty much it. How you can make a living from your cell phone, from home, whether you have transportation or not transportation, whether you have a home or not have a home. I just share with you different ways to make a living. That's what I do. That's what I talk about. So, yeah, I just want to come on here on Instagram because I wasn't able to go live on Instagram earlier today. So I'm here on the gram now, just sitting here talking with you all. Hey, Miss Nancy, hope you're having a great day. Today is Thursday, countdown to the weekend. What's y'all plans for this weekend? I don't have anything planned that I know of right now, but that can always change. It can always change. I know people starting to get their tax refund checks, so I know Wally World about to be packed like a mug. Matter of fact, I had put in a grocery order. I need to make sure they didn't have to substitute any of my food items. How many people use Walmart Spark or point pickup for food grocery delivery? I know I use them and I have to select for them to I have to sign off. Thank you for sharing with us. Oh, you're more than welcome. Like I said, I'm just a regular person. I don't come with all the glints and glams and all this fancy editing and stuff. I just be raw. I just be me. I just be trying to share with y'all what it really looked like and what the job consists of. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, if y'all down with that rocking and listen to me, my southern accent, then that's what's up. You know what I'm saying? That's what's up. That's what I have. All I have is me to offer. And my experiences and me sharing my work from home journey, how it's changed my life, how you always have to have multiple streams of income, no matter if you got it like that or you think you got it like that. You know what I'm saying? It's always important to have multiple streams of income. They say no, but I should try. We have Kroger and Target pickup or delivery. Because I did see that Target has the you pull up to the curbside and they bring your groceries out, but I know DoorDash, because I do DoorDash as well. I know DoorDash will go to Target and pick up items. I wish we had a Kroger. I like Kroger. I really like Kroger groceries. And they be having some good deals too. They almost like Save-A-Lot. When we used to have a Save-A-Lot, they used to have really good deals at Save-A-Lot, but they closed Save-A-Lot in this area. I'm in Charlotte, so we don't have Save-A-Lot anymore, but I do like Kroger. And I think we used to have a Kroger a long, long time ago. I used to remember getting a sales paper for it. Yep. So that's what I said. I need to check my email, make sure they ain't have no subs, because one time they had put ice cream on my order, and I didn't order ice cream this go around. I had ordered ice cream last go around. So I'm just trying to see, because sometimes they be done changed up your order, and you don't know it. Yeah, I like doing DoorDash. How many of my gig workers on here on Instagram? DoorDash, Grubhub, Point Pickup, GoPuff, Walmart Spark, VHO, Lord, you Amazon Flex. I should have signed up I should have went forward years ago with Amazon Flex. Now it's a wait list again. But it's always a fantastic to have those things in your pocket. Mystery shoppers. How many mystery shoppers in the house? Mystery shoppers in the house. Yes, boy. Mystery shoppers, boy. Man, saved my butt so many times. Being a mystery shopper. Oh, that's all I had to do was do mystery shops. Oh my God. We ate free. We got free stuff. We got paid. Oh my gosh. Like, mystery shop. It's Facebook groups about mystery shops too, and they share all the mystery shop companies. So if you ever thought about becoming a mystery shopper, look onto some of the Facebook groups. And a lot of them are public. Maybe some may be private. But if you ever thought about becoming a mystery shopper, go into Facebook if you have a Facebook account and look up mystery shop companies, because they'll share with you a whole bunch and share their experience with you about becoming a mystery shopper. I like being a mystery shop. I used to love the gas station shops. Boy, I'm telling you. Yes, I love those gas station shops. I be on a mission with those. I be all over North Carolina in these little small country towns, going to these hole in the wall little cafes and eating that liver mush and grits and eggs. Oh my gosh, I miss those days so very much. I miss those days. Also, I was telling you all recently about ShiftSmart. If y'all haven't signed up for ShiftSmart, that's an app too that you make money. Just using your cell phone. You download the app, sign up. It's probably about 6 questions that you gotta ask, and then you put in your zip code, and then they tell you if they got any jobs in your area. You get paid 24 to 48 hours after you complete the job. Who wouldn't like that? You know what I'm saying? Also, with the notary business, tell people about becoming a notary. It's not hard to become a notary. You just gotta learn what you need to do and can't do. That's it. Simple as that. Simple as that. So I'm about to get off of here. I can't move forward. They say they want you to have at least 2. I can't get 2. I don't even know what I'm doing. Let me X out of here if I be done messed up something. But I just want to come on here. Yeah, it is nice to have multiple streams of income. It's very vital nowadays. You know, I grew up in a small town where people worked in the mill or they worked in factories, assembly factories and stuff, and you can make, people made good money when they did it, but then when these factories closed down, a lot of people couldn't find, good paying jobs, and if you live in a small country town, you don't have transportation, so it can be kind of hard sometimes to try to, make a living for yourself and support yourself, you have grocery stores, but the grocery store can't hire but so many people. Taxi cabs, back where I'm from, that's all we had with transportation until a few years ago. We didn't have no bus. We had the cab station, and that cab station, I know they made boo-hoo much of money. And Uber and Lyft wasn't that big in my town, my little small town that I'm from, but it was an option. But for many years, that's all we had was the cabs company to get us around town if we didn't have transportation. If you live way out on the outskirts, you better get you a hoopty or something. You better get you a hoopty or something. So, yeah, that was something else too. So, but yeah, that's what I came on here to share with you all, and I'm about to get off of here. And I hope you all have a fantastic day. And thanks for tuning in. And like I said, go follow me on all my other social media platforms. Life with Nikki D. I'm Life with Nikki D everywhere. Type in Life with Nikki D. See my profile picture. See me. Thank you. I hope you have a wonderful day as well. Thanks for watching.